Hello viewer, in this video I will show you YouTube completed live stream stuck on processing problem. Go to your YouTube. Now tap on your profile icon from the lower corner. Now go to your YouTube setting. Now scroll down and go to Help. Now scroll down and tap on Send Feedback. Now click on Get Started. Now in this send box write down, "Hi YouTube support team, my YouTube completed live stream is stuck on processing. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." Then send your report to the YouTube support team. Now follow the second step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search YouTube app. From here, try to update your YouTube app and please wait, because YouTube support team already noticed that YouTube completed live stream stuck on processing problem. So please wait from the update from YouTube support team.